Now we go to the next topic, that is metallic and non-metallic characters, which are on page 26. You can see this figure 2.10. In it you can see I've labeled it up there, that is explanation for the period. As we've already done, the atomic radius decreases in the period as we go from left to right, and we know that properties depend on the electronic configuration. Now you know that sodium, the electronic configuration 281, the nuclear attraction is less here and it increases down the period as we go from left to right. Now as the nuclear attraction is less, the one electron can be given away easily. On the other hand, nuclear attraction is maximum in chlorine, so it will not give away the electrons. In fact, the tendency is to accept or gain the electrons. So as the nuclear charge increases, we can say electropositivity decreases. Now what is electropositivity? You've done the tendency of the atom to give away the electron is electropositivity. So sodium easily gives away this one electron, so it gets a positive charge. So Na becomes Na plus. These positive ions you've done are called as cations. Now on the other hand, chlorine, instead of giving away the 7 electrons, it will gain 1 electron as the nuclear attraction is maximum here. So the tendency is to gain and not to donate the electrons. So naturally when it takes the 1 electron, it will get a negative charge. So Cl becomes Cl minus. Negatively charged ions are called as anions. So electropositivity decreases, electronegativity increases. So electropositive, and here it is electronegative. Metallic, now usually metals donate electrons, so metallic character decreases and non-metallic character increases. Now what about the groups? In the same figure they've explained here for the group. So let us see. I've already shown you for the group what it is. The number of orbits has increased. So naturally the nuclear attraction has decreased here. So as compared to lithium, where the nuclear attraction will be more because there are only 2 orbits, here there are 4 orbits, so nuclear attraction will be less. So this one electron can be given away very easily from potassium as compared to lithium. So potassium is more reactive. So as you go down the group from top to bottom, the electropositivity increases. That is the tendency to donate electrons. So the metallic character increases as you go from top to bottom. And vice versa, the tendency to donate electrons is there, not to gain electrons. So electronegativity will decrease and the non-metallic character will naturally decrease.